Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you date the undated planner using the sticker. So when you download this planner, you will come to this cover page. Just click anywhere from the cover page, you will come to this index page. For example, if I want to go to the month of June, since this is the undated planner, it's actually come without any dates, so we need to set up these dates ourselves. So let's go to the sticker book. Make sure you select the lasso tool and you select all the dates here and copy, go back to the planner, paste it. Resize the number according to the size available in this box. So now I would like to know the 1st of June fall on which day. So let's pull out the calendar. So 1st of June fall on Wednesday. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And I do this calendar. I'll continue to the rest of the date. Okay, so go back to the navigation mode. When you click on any dates of this number here, it will actually go direct to that daily page. So for example, I want to go to the weekday of 21st. So you can also use the sticker here. Select 21st. Copy, go back to the page, paste on where you want to put the number. I would like to put it here. Okay? So I hope this is useful for